Greetings, YouTube. I hope you are well. Please excuse the gravelly voice. I wanted to touch on a touchy subject that's around us today, and it's COVID-19. I figured since I've been exposed and I'm more than likely positive, I've started showing some symptoms today. I'm kind of like wobbly kneed and like feel like I'm a little weak, maybe even a little dizzy. I got to work and was real like sweaty and my heart was racing. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get tested tomorrow. I found a place that can do the test for me. In the meantime, I have a home test that is used like a quick test I managed to acquire. I'm gonna go ahead and film that early tomorrow, maybe tonight, early tomorrow. Then, when I do go get tested, probably at Walgreens, I'm gonna try to get some film down on that, even if I gotta be like undercover with it. I feel a little bit off, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start documenting what's going on with me. If anybody can learn anything from it, it's a good thing. I'm not afraid. I'm not going to be afraid. I'm strong. I got a good, strong immune system. And God willing, and the river don't rise, I think we're going to fight through it. I went by and saw my buddy today. We stayed outside. He came out on the porch. I just had to see him and tell him that I loved him. Tomorrow, when I make the test, the home test, I'm gonna be playing some music with it. I want you to dig it. It's some really good music. I picked it out especially for somebody. As a matter of fact, in my page, you'll find my playlist. There's one in there titled Dennis. There's some really good music in there I've been putting up. Check it out. I'm going to go ahead, behind I get done running my mouth, I'll show you a picture of the test that I'm going to do tomorrow. Like I said, I'm hoping and praying that maybe we can learn something from one another. For the meantime, I'm going to get things done for work. I think they're going to make me stay home for 2 weeks. And I have to get some documentation stuff done for them so they can take care of me. And we'll see what happens. Drone worship. What are you doing, boy? Listen, I appreciate your phone call. That lifted me up. It revigorated me and revitalized me and rejuvenated me. It's really good to hear from you. It's good to hear a friendly voice. I appreciate all your well wishes. Watch with me. Let's see what's happening. I really want to document this and see what's going on with it. Maybe somebody can learn something from it. This is Silvertop Flyer, signing off.